Very good. Nice. Now look at my face. All must see my face. Okay? All must see my face. Okay? There. Well, now we are going to do warm-up exercise. Another. See, follow me. That is the one. What we are going to do? Warm up exercise. Warm up. Yes. Muscle up. Hey, என்ன பாக்குற? Hey, we are looking at that. ஒண்ணு என்ன தான் பார்க்கணும், யார் எங்க பார்க்க கூடாது. இப்படி கை வை. பேசிக்கோ. இப்படி ஃப்ரீயா விடு. ஃப்ரீயா விட்டீங்களா? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 relax. Go like this. Relax. Put like this. You lock the hip. Okay? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 relax. Okay? இப்போ what you want to do? இப்போ the you have like this. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 the bird exercise. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay? Then relax. இப்போ what you want to do? Huh? 1 2 3 4 5 1 your side. 1 2 3 4 5 stand relax. Okay? அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணலாம் சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். What will do? இப்போ jump. Good. Let's see there. எப்படி நிக்கணும்? எல்லாம் அப்படி நிக்கணும். 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. இப்போ relax. இப்போ see like Jabal. இப்போ 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 5 10. Okay. இப்போ relax. என்ன பண்ணணும்? relax ஆகணும். Okay. இப்போ next step. Okay பண்ணணும். Rotating the shoulder back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 அப்படியே பேக்ல 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Good. Very nice. Enough? You want more? Enough. You want to do more exercise? This is only warm-up exercise. You have to do daily in your home. Okay? This is enough for you now. Okay? Ella, take your bottles and drink water. But now you are going to see the Kalyana Mahal. Come on. Take our bottle.